Everyone's looking for the magic solution to burn belly fat. Diet after diet, app after app, but nothing sticks. Here's the truth they won't tell you: you don't need to starve yourself or go on extreme meal plans to flatten your stomach. What you really need is consistency, movement that targets fat-burning zones, and exercises that are simple enough to do anywhere but effective enough to reshape your body. In this video we're going through 10 easy exercises that target your belly, tone your core, and get results without dieting. You can do them at home. No equipment, no excuses, just you and your will to change. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll show you how to stack these exercises into a daily belly fat burning routine that can literally change your body in 3 weeks. Are you ready to take control, not with starvation, but with smart, sustainable movement? Let's go. 1. Standing high knees. Let's warm up and get straight into fat burning mode with standing high knees. This isn't just cardio, it's core targeted cardio. Start standing tall, feet hip width apart. Begin driving your knees up one at a time as high as you can while pumping your arms fast and strong. This mimics running but in place. It's simple yet so powerful. What's working? Your hip flexors, abs, thighs, and even your shoulders. But most importantly, your heart rate spikes and your metabolism ignites. We'll repeat 3 rounds. Think of each knee lift as a rep for your abs. Drive hard. Stand proud. This is controlled cardio, and it's your first step toward visible results. Last round, give it all you've got. High knees, high energy, high effort. 2. Standing side crunches. Time to work those side abs, the obliques. Start with feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head. Now lift your right knee and bring your right elbow down to meet it. Squeeze your side as you crunch. Then reset, do the same on the left. Move slowly, with intention. You're not just moving your arms and legs, you're sculpting your waistline. Add a little pause at the top of each crunch to maximize tension. Let's do 30 per side. Breathe, crunch, feel every fiber of your core tightening. 10 more. This is where results are born, in those final burning reps. 3. Marching glute bridge. Let's hit the mat and go deeper with core stability. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips to form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Now lift one foot and hold it in the air. Then switch. This challenges your balance, activates your glutes, and makes your abs stabilize under pressure. Keep your core tight. Don't let your hips rock. That's how you burn fat and build muscle at the same time. Do 20 slow marches. Squeeze at the top. Breathe through the burn. Push through, your body's adapting right now. 4. Seated in and outs. Now we hit the lower belly, a stubborn zone for many. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, hands behind you. Lift your legs and pull your knees in toward your chest, then extend them back out. Don't let your feet touch the ground. Keep the tension. That burn you feel? That's change happening. That's your body demanding strength. Let's go for 3 rounds of 20 reps. Take breaks if needed, but don't quit. This is your time. 5. Standing twist reaches. Let's sculpt that waist with standing twists. Stand tall, legs wide, arms up. Now rotate your torso and reach your right hand down toward your left foot. Then switch. Twist through your waist, not your arms. This movement builds rotational strength and burns calories with every rep. You're tightening your waist and torching fat at the same time. Do 1 minute, then 15 seconds rest. 3 rounds total. 6. Plank shoulder taps. Time to get into a strong plank. Hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder. Alternate. The challenge? Keep your hips completely still. This forces your abs to lock down and control every second. 30 seconds of taps. Repeat 3 times. Stay tight. No bouncing, no sagging, just strength. 7. Flutter kicks. Let's light up your lower abs. Lie back, hands under your hips. Lift your feet a few inches off the ground. Now flutter them, quick small kicks. Keep your abs tight and back flat on the ground. 30 seconds on 3 rounds. Breathe through it. Embrace the burn. These little kicks, major results. Don't arch your back. If needed, keep your legs a little higher to maintain control. 8. Standing front kicks. Back to standing. It's time to kick that fat away. Stand tall, hands up and guard. Kick your right leg straight out, then switch to the left. This movement activates your core, legs, glutes, and even your balance. Stay controlled. Imagine you're kicking through resistance. 20 kicks per leg. Repeat 3 rounds. Let it burn and enjoy the fat melt away. 9. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back. Knees bent. Bring your knees up to your chest, then curl your hips off the floor. Slowly lower. This move isolates the lower abs, right where belly fat tends to hide. Go for 3 rounds of 15 reps. Focus on control. This isn't about speed, it's about squeezing and shaping. Avoid swinging your legs. Use your core to lift, not momentum. 10. Slow mountain climbers. Last one, let's finish strong. High plank. Bring one knee to your chest. Then switch, but slow it down. Every step is a crunch. This version burns more because it forces forces your abs to hold tight. Do 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Eyes forward, core engaged, sweat pouring. You're earning this transformation. You did it. 10 easy fat-burning exercises. No equipment, no diet, just movement. But remember, knowledge isn't power. Action is. Repeat this full workout 3 to 5 times a week. Stay consistent. Combine it with daily walks, hydration, and solid sleep. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. Just give your body what it craves: movement, intensity, and care. If you made it this far, you're already in the top 10% of people who don't just watch, they act. Hit that like button, subscribe for more smart workouts, and comment below. No more excuses if you're ready to take control of your body the healthy way. Let's crush the next workout together. You've got this.